Okay, we will solve a simple exercise. Here I am going to ask you. Yeah. Identify the following transaction as belonging to operating activities, investing activities, financing activities. The fourth one is cash and cash equivalents. Is it visible to you, the screen? Yeah. Then tell me, cash purchase of goods comes under which activities? Yeah, I want reply from you, your side. Cash purchase of goods comes under which activities? See, purchase of goods is from operating activities, okay? Not from the investing. Investing activities, it becomes the asset, purchase of asset, fixed assets or intangible assets, not the goods. Sorry, cash and not investing activities, it is from operating activities, okay? And then purchase of shares. Issue of shares comes from in which activities does this purchase of share come? Don't write 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, okay. Financing activities. No, no, purchase of shares. Yeah, financing activities. Yes. Then patent purchased. For the third one, patent purchased. Yeah, that is second one, investing activities. Then cash received against the service rendered. Anything cash received under service rendered is operating activities. Okay. Then is cash paid against services taken. Fifth one. This also comes under operating activities. Then sale of building, as you know that this is investing activities. Sale of building. Then income tax paid on gain on sale of building. This answer the seventh one. Income tax paid on gain on sale of building. This sale of building, just you note that sale of building comes from investing activities. So it will comes under investing activities. Then dividend paid. Don't get confusion. Okay. Don't get confusion. Just understand the points. What all, understand the items. Okay. Dividend paid is obviously financing activities. Then payment of corporate dividend tax on dividend paid. While giving the dividend, you have to give the corporate dividend tax. In which activities it comes? This comes from financing activities. Okay. Then balance of a current investment. Balance of current investment is while get now after selling of the current investment, you'll get a cash. Okay. That is called the balance of current investment. Obviously, it comes under cash and cash equivalents. Then balance of marketable security, similar to this above one, cash and cash equivalent. Then decrease in balance of a bank overdraft or cash credit. Decreasing means you are paying the loans. Okay. Payment of loans means it comes under financing activities. Okay, I think you have cleared your doubts, and don't get confused because the same part will comes in the question also. And this is the one second question. State the following which would result in inflow and outflow or no flow of cash. You need to know that what all items you can take in the cash flow statement. Because in the cash flow statement, what does it says? You should have to take only the cash inflow and cash outflow. That's all. If there is no flow of cash, you cannot take. So Arshia, it's too late. Okay. I cannot explain the whole 12 items. If you have any doubt in between any of these items, you can ask me. Don't worry, this all recorded things you can get it in website also. BU StudyMate website. But if you have any problem in the calculation part, then you can ask me. I will solve then and there only. No, no, it's not. I am not asking about the activities. I want to know that whether it's an inflow or outflow or no flow of cash. Issue of debenture is a cash inflow, outflow, or no flow of cash. Tell me. When we are issuing debenture, we are getting cash. Okay. So it is inflow. Yes. Yes, Madan. Yes, right. Inflow of cash. Then issue of debenture to vendors for purchase of machine. What happens here? We are issuing debentures for the purchase of machine. No, I am asking about the outflow, inflow, or no flow of cash. Ashok said no flow. Yeah, inflow. Aishwarya, no flow. Yeah, yeah, it's right. No flow of cash because we have issued the debenture and then and there we have given to purchase of machine. So we didn't get any cash. We got machine, that's all. We didn't get cash. So there is no flow. Then purchase of own debenture of rupees 10,000 at 98%. Yeah, tell me this one, third one. Purchase of own debenture. See, understand the sentence here. Purchase of own debenture. We are purchasing our own debentures only. So cash is going out. We are purchasing own debentures. We are not issuing. If we issue, we'll get the cash. If we purchase, we have to give the cash. Okay. There is outflow. Outflow cash. Then redemption of debentures by converting into equity shares. Here, cash is not involved here. Redemption of debentures by converting, yeah, no flow. Then redemption of debentures means outflow. Then interest paid on debentures. It's obviously outflow. Interest we are paying. So then purchase of patents. It's we are purchasing the patents. This means cash outflow. Then old furniture written off. Ninth one. When we are writing off this any assets, old furniture written off. When we are writing off the assets, any assets, we don't incur any cash or cash transactions. Okay, no flow or no effect you can write. Then depreciation of furniture. Depreciation, as I told you, that it doesn't includes cash. It's written in the paper. That's all. No flow. Then payment of outstanding rent for previous month. 10th one, please tell me. Payment of outstanding rent for previous month. Yeah, eighth one, depreciation of furniture. Depreciation doesn't incur any cash transaction. So no flow of cash. Then payment of outstanding rent for previous month. We are making payment, so it's an outflow. Then deferred revenue expenditure charged to profit. Did you get this point? What is deferred revenue? What is the meaning of deferred? Can you tell me, anyone? Can you tell me what is the meaning of deferred? You might have heard deferred tax, deferment of payments. What is this? Anyone? Deferred revenue. Please go and search this one. What is deferred revenue, deferred tax or deferred revenue? Then, yeah, Madan, postpone, yes. When we are calculating the taxes, company will calculate the taxes from the point of view of books of accounts and from the point of view of income tax. The balance what they are getting, that is deferred tax, and the amount which they have to give, the current year amount, they will postpone for the next year. So that is called deferred revenue, deferred tax. And this also deferred revenue expenditure chart to profit. This doesn't incur any cash transaction, then it is no flow. Then declaration of final dividend. We have not yet given the dividend. We just declared, that's all. That is no flow. Then payment of dividend, this is cash is going outflow. Okay. Now this is a small exercise to understand you what is cash inflow, what is cash outflow, and also what are the items comes under the financing activities and investing and operating activities. Okay.